Hi, I'm Tejas. Our project repurposes spent coffee ground (SCGs) to enhance urban gardening. SCGs are nutrient rich but need proper treatment.
Hello, I'm Vachashvi. In South India, tons of coffee grounds are wasted. We wanted to find a way to use them in gardening.
Hi, I'm Ishan. We created Agribrew, a briquet made from SCGs and organic materials, designed to improve soil health for home gardeners.
We surveyed gardeners and found many struggle with using coffee grounds properly. They often compost but face challenges with proportions.
A soil expert recommended mixing SCGs with cow dung, lime, red soil, and trichoderma. Trichoderma enhances the plant growth and prevents diseases. Cow dung increases soil fertility. Lime balances the pH.
Agribrew is a briquet made from SCGs, red soil, cow dung, lime, and trichoderma. The 100-gram briquet contains 20 or 30 grams of SCG, 40 or 30 grams of red soil, 10 grams of trichoderma, 10 grams of agriculture lime, and 20 grams of cow dung. Each Agribrew briquet weighs 100 grams and contains SCGs, red soil, cow dung, lime, and trichoderma.
Red soil boosts SCG fertility, cow dung adds organic matter, and trichoderma promotes plant health.
Lime neutralizes SCG acidity. This mix enhances soil health and ensures plants get essential nutrients.
For our experiment, we tested Agribrew with chili and tomato plants. Three groups received different doses of briquettes, and others received no treatment.
We are observing plant growth in terms of its length, number of leaves, and girth.
Results will help us refine the briquette formula and confirm its potential for urban gardening.
Thank you.